What's up everyone? In this video we are going to continue building the navigation of this template. So in the last video we fixed the styling of the web page. We separated the header and the footer file of this web page so we can use the same header and the footer file for each template. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix, first of all, we're going to fix the links of this header part, and in the later videos we will also add the functionality so we can change the name of the website or logo. So what we have here is the header and the footer file. We could have also put these files in the separate directory just like so. Here we have the single and the all blade. We could have put something like shared, so that because we know that this footer and the header file are shared across the website, but now I'll leave it for now as they are. So let's open the header.blade.php file and see what we have here. And again, if you're coming from the raw PHP, you might have got used to the idea of putting the .php or .html at the end of the URL lines, just like so. If you're visiting the archive, you could have put archive.php in the raw PHP, but in Laravel we don't do that. What Laravel allows it to do is it usually listens to the routes, route is something like an address. It's something that you put at the end of the URL line. So we listen for somebody visit this route. So whenever somebody goes ahead and puts the /archive at the end of the URL line, this is the page, this is the template that we present to that user. So now let's go ahead and fix those routes in the header.php file. So here what we have is, instead of putting something like about.html or PHP or so on, let's first try deleting these and put the / in front of the name, in front of the names of the item. So if we put CTA at the end, this is the call to the action, but for now just leave it. And let's also put something like /. Let's put / in front of the name of the page, because this file will be shared across all pages. So in order to do that, the pages that we need are these. We also want to put the link to the about page. To do so, we have to delete this line because we've included it somewhere, I think in this index line. So let's scroll up a little bit and then paste it in here. And let's also do the same thing for the footer part. Let's remove it and let's put the footer, and let's see what else we have. So I think we're basically fixed the link to the about page. So what we have to do is, as soon as we put the / and the name of the page at the end, then we have to switch back to the web.php file just to fix the routing of this template. So here's what we say. If somebody goes ahead and tries to visit the about page, all we have to do is present that page to the user. And watching from the last video, you're probably familiar with the Blade templating engine, or at least in some area. So if we just put the about, which means if we put the name of the file here without putting the blade or PHP, this is how we route the user to that template. So let's now test. Let's see what we have here. So archive wasn't the page. Archive was something that I put just for testing. And now let's see if we can visit this page. And at the bottom of the left, if you notice, we have the IP address, the port number, and the /about. And if we click here, it should take us to the about page. So for some reason we actually do. We see the page, but it's somehow the problem with the CSS, I guess. So this is how we change it, and if you need some more time, you can just pause the video and do as I did. And literally this is what we have to do with every template, and then we'll continue from there. For now, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, just leave in the comment section below and I'll reach out to you. Subscribe to this channel. See you next time.